You dey find food to chop, oh. You don't pray and fast, oh. Chai, Oluwa later do one for you, my brother. Now you see another man, no, where they find what to eat. You can't live in matter, can't block in ways, oh. If they ask you, brother, why, you go say the content self bad, oh. If this one a game, now which can level be this? Tell me. They give you plenty money, oh. Make you come and change in Naija. Make you come and create the change for me and you, oh. You can't chop down with your family. Soon you go come dey affect economy, oh. If this one a game, now which can level be this, oh. Make a reason waiting in my mind, oh. We live in Naija, cause I'm tired of living in lies. No more, my brother. Now we be our own problem. We have to solve our own problem. You see, for this matter, me no go hide my mouth. For this country, the government them na scam, and the people themselves on a scam. Oh yeah, come together, make a change before everything you go also. The government them na scam, and the people themselves on a scam. Voice on my, make a voice my mind. Make we no fear anybody. They come for the power, and they come for the money. They don't care about you, and they don't care about me. They come for the money, oh, come for the power, come for the money, then they come for the power. They don't care about you. Say, make I hand you story, telling you different kind of story. If you like, make you hear me, my brother, sister, my neighbor, is that they will choose another over you. See, they will say that they want to cover you. Like that, they just want to murder you. You know they bother them at all. No, they put your trust on anybody, oh. Because this nation has scam. Today they will be good, tomorrow they will turn their backs on you, oh. Now we be our own problems. We have to solve our own problems. See, for this matter, I no go hide my mouth. Check for this country, the government them na scam, and the people themselves on a scam. Oh yeah, come together, make a change before everything you go also. The government them na scam, the people themselves on a scam. Oh yeah, voice on my, make a voice my mind. Make we no fear anybody. Now so we go talk our mind, oh. We want to say what we feel inside, oh. They go push us to the ground, oh. Can they shoot at us, oh. Now which kind of country be this? We they talk of food and they pack on for house, taking off a day to share on a birthday party. Now scam, oh. Yeah.